Hello friends, let us now learn some important questions in PG IMER previous year question papers. Terminal products of phenylalanine is phenylalanine terminal products are fumarate, acetyl-CoA and acetoacetate. So terminal products of phenylalanine are fumarate, acetyl-CoA and acetoacetate. NADPH is produced by pyruvate dehydrogenase, true. Isocitrate dehydrogenase, yes. Alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase and malate dehydrogenase produces NADPH, whereas succinate dehydrogenase produces FADH2. Okay, next question. Optically inactive amino acid is glycine is optically inactive amino acid. Next question. In forming a 3D structure of the protein, following components are helpful. In forming three-dimensional structure of a protein, we require hydrogen bonds, amino sequences, interactions between the amino acid side chains like electrostatic interactions, disulfide interactions or hydrophobic interactions. Even chaperones and protein folding are also important in three-dimensional conformation of proteins. So in three-dimensional conformation of proteins, all the three are important. Then next question. Test used for proteins is, for proteins the test used for proteins is Western blot is used for proteins, Southern blot is actually used for DNA, ELISA is used for proteins and chip assay is used for proteins. So for proteins we use Western blot, ELISA and chip assay are the tests used for proteins. Next question. Full form of LCAT. LCAT is lecithin cholesterol acyl transferase. So lecithin cholesterol acyl transferase is LCAT. Which of the following cause dementia? Dementia is caused by the following. See, vitamin A causes dementia, vitamin B1 causes dementia and niacin also causes dementia. In niacin we have pellagra. In the pellagra we have dementia, dermatitis and diarrhea. Vitamin B1 causes dementia, especially it causes retrograde dementia and anterograde dementia in Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, and vitamin A also causes dementia. Then next question. Which of the following organs cannot use ketone bodies? Ketone bodies are not used by brain uses ketone bodies. RBCs only use glucose always. Heart uses ketone bodies. Even muscle uses ketone bodies, whereas liver does not use ketone bodies. So liver does not use ketone bodies. So RBC and liver are the two are the two organs which does not use ketone bodies. Thank you for watching.